Tectonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hi, welcome to Tectonic Shift. In this video, I will show you how to create a self-hosted agent. For that, click this user settings and click on personal access token. As it is required in the agent, click on this new token. Add a name of the token here. And as you can see, these are all the rights that you can grant, but I will give it a full access and click create. You will be represented a value of token. Save it at a secured location because it won't be generated again. Once saved, click close and now go to the project. I have Tectonic Shift here. Now in project, open the project settings. In project setting, go to the agent pool, and in agent pool you have to create an agent pool if you don't have any. Let me show you how to create one. For that, from drop down, select self-hosted, add the name of agent pool here and this menu, and now grant rights to the pipelines for this agent pool and click create. Agent pool is created, select it, and again select new agent from the top right corner and click download. It would take some time to get downloaded. Once download is completed, you would have a zip file here. Extract zip file at your desired location. It would take some time to get extracted. Wait for the extraction to get completed. Once the extraction is done, you would have all the extracted files like this. Now in the extracted files, open this config and run it as an administrator. Now what you have to do here is you have to enter the URL here. You can copy the URL from the address bar of your project. Let me copy it till the project. Paste it in the URL location. Click enter and then enter for path. Now copy the path value that we have recently created and paste it here. Hit enter. Now add your agent pool's name. It's Tectonic. I will type here Tectonic. Now add your agent's name here. Let me just add a name here. Now after adding the name, click hit enter. Do you want to run it as a service? No, I don't want to run it as a service. I will type here N and hit enter. If you want to start it at logon, I will again hit N and enter. Now the agent creation has been completed, and at agent pool, agent can be seen. Now in the agent folder, is run option and run it as an administrator. It will take some time to get launched. Once the agent is running, you can see the status at the web portal, and also at the CMD window will show the agent is running. As you can see, it's running. Please stay tuned for more videos.